standing at the front door when I came in last night. A good book in her left hand, she had a golden pin in her right. She said, you come home for the last time with the whiskey on your breath. If you don't listen to my preaching, Lord, I'm gonna have to shake it back to death. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. I know I drive you crazy, baby, it's the best that I can do. The good old boy is making noise, I ain't running around on you. Give me one more last chance before you say we're through. Hey, Carmine, play a little bit. You know, first she hit my glasses, 'cause she knows that I can't see. She said, you ain't going nowhere, boy, till you spend a little time with me. And the voice called from the honky tonk said, there's a party going on down here. Well, she gotta hit my glasses, but she forgot about the old John Deere. Well, give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. I know I drive you crazy, baby, it's the best that I can do. We're just good old boys, we're making noise, I ain't running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Well, give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. I know I drive you crazy, baby, it's the best that I can do. We're just good old boys, making noise, I ain't running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through.
Okay, we got a major problem.
That's
so
okay, we'll play that song again.
That's right. What's the problem, Kim?
The problem is, I don't know if I hit something in.
Well, take a minute and see if you can fix it.
I do.
Was it working a minute ago?
Yeah,
Okay, then it should work again. Maybe the plug got loose or whatever.
I don't know. Let me know. It's like the Zoom isn't zooming, it's just switching into a bunch of screens. I have no idea.
We can move closer and farther to the camera as we
Yeah,
play.
we don't even have.
Well,
Oh, wait, hold on. Okay. Here we go.
take your time. It's only 4 minutes after 6.
Got it, okay.
Start again. And then you can type something about, sorry.
No, it's okay. Let me get this off now.
Hey,
Okay.
it's a good time to tune. Oh,
That's good.
never mind, no tuning.
Back up.
Yeah,
Are we recording?
yes. I might just leave it, though.
Should we do it again, or you think you got the first one?
I got it.
Huh?
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, we're still going. It's still
We're
going.
still going, all right.
Okay, then now we're gonna do the second one.
So we're here at Bob Smith Toyota, and we started right at 6, and it's 6:05, and between now and between 6 and 6:05, I think it's that thing he's wearing there. It confused the camera. The camera said, "I never seen anything like this before. I don't know how to act."
Wait.
Oh, stop the eyeball cowboy. Now, we have Bart for our guest artist this week, and I'm so happy to have him. And talk to me a little bit about that jacket. It looks kind of like a nudie thing, like Nudie would do something like that.
Yeah, well, sometimes I wear it without anything else. That's
Well,
close as I
it
get to
look-
nudie, man.
It look, and did you, I
I
understand
made it.
you made it yourself.
One little thingy at a time. It took 3 Ranger games.
Yeah. So anyway, we got Cody Bryan on bass.
Yeah.
Paul's at another gig. John Palmer's at another gig. And I got Chris Ross on drums, and I'll tell you about Chris. At about 10 minutes after 5, we start at 6. I get a call saying Palmer's not going to be here. And I'm like, well, I don't remember him telling me that. He probably did. I just, I get busy. So I call Chris. It's like 40 minutes before the show starts, and I'm looking for a friggin' drummer, pardon my French. Anyway, Chris calls me back right away. I can make it, I can do it. So you were in Santa Clarita somewhere doing it. Newhall. And you do that every Sunday, right?
Every Sunday.
Man. Well, if Palmer did not tell me that he wasn't going to be here this week, you might be doing this every Sunday. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. Palmer will be back. We love Palmer. He's family. Cody, stop laughing at me. All right, Carmine's Country Corner here at Bob Smith Toyota. We're going to kick off another one, so work us, Bart. Work
I
us.
was looking for the pictures, but you change
I
them
took
all
them
the
down.
time. Yeah. We'll do one you might never heard before. It's called Moving On Over by a little known guy named Hank. And we're in the key of E, as in excellence. Except for... Well, I came in last night, it was about 4:30. Now my key don't fit no more, so move it on over. Well, slide it on over. Yeah, move over the dog, 'cause your big dog's coming in. She put me out, it was a pity how I cried. That side yours, this side's mine, so move it on over. Slide it on over. Well, move over, cold dog, 'cause the hot dog is moving in. Hey, Carmine. There's a lock on my front door, and now my key don't fit no more. So move it on over. Oh, scoot it on over. Slide over, pretty dog, on the backside dog. Moving in, they come on to see you do a little more. Well, you know, I came late last night about 10:30. That baby of mine wouldn't let me in. Moving on over. Oh, sliding on over. You know, scoot over. There's a big dog's moving in. One more time, Carmine.
corner. Oh, I know what I wanted to talk about real quick. I have this metal thing hanging on my amp, on my mic, and Kim's back there very busy jumping between the camera and the control board thing. So this, Kim, what do they call this race? How many?
3 miles, a 5K.
It's called the 5K, and they have these little 5K races, and I guess that's 3 miles. And my daughter Kim is, she runs a lot. She does the LA Marathon. She's done it like 4 or 5 times, and she finishes. It takes her 3 days, but she gets there. No, it doesn't. Just kidding, Kim. No, she finishes ahead of a lot of people. And so anyway, she goes this morning. Where were you, in Long Beach?
San Pedro.
So pretty close, San Pedro. And they have like these fundraisers to help, kids or whatever the cause is. So all these runners go down and pay their money, and they join the race, and then they run the race, and it's kind of a good thing. So anyway, she got this little medal right here. And so, I'm proud of. She's got so many of these little things, but I'm so proud of my daughter and all the runnings that she's done. And I knew she was going to be a runner because when she was like 3, 4 years old, and I was in my 20s back then, I couldn't catch her. She'd take off like I couldn't catch her.
Did you catch her now?
No, I still can't catch her. It looks like it, doesn't it? It is the Italian. This was an Italian organization, right?
Yes.
That's the other thing. We got a little bit of that blood in us, so we're okay. I'm gonna leave it there for the show. I like the way it looks. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a song, and then we'll get you, because I think we're the only 2 singers tonight. Cody is jumping ship on us. He said, I just want to play my bass. No. I was wrong again.
You just play bass.
Oh, Cody said when you play bass, you just play bass. You don't sing, you don't dance, you just stand there and lay it down.
You either take it seriously.
That's right. Well, you and Dan, you got a fine example of that. I gotta tell you right
I
now.
remember Paul McCartney saying the same thing. I don't sing when I play bass.
Yeah. And Jimmy Harris broke the rule.
I didn't know that. Harris is great. I talked to him 2 days. Jimmy Harris, if you're watching the show, we love you. He called me a couple of days ago, and he's doing fine, folks. All of you people out there that know Jimmy, yeah, he's hanging in, man. He says, I'm doing gigs, and he's doing his thing, taking care of his dad, and hanging out back there in Tupelo, Mississippi, somewhere around there.
Just tell him what happens when he doesn't show up to the gig. Right here. I do.
You do what?
This is the impact he's having.
Well, we had a lot of fun working with you on bass, on fiddle, on mandolin, on guitar. I don't know what else. Oh, wait, what am I talking? Trumpet, saxophone. Jesus, this guy plays everything. Okay, that's a long dry spell. Okay, let's do one. D, real simple. There's no crazy. Why don't you hear me do it? Little piece of self. 1, 2, 3. Blue and broken-hearted me, holding to memory. Since you've been gone, David Toyota, Bart, you're our guest artist. So, hey, you know what? The sign says Carmine's Country Corner, right?
Right.
And we have him as a guest artist. He comes up, he's done the show before, you know. And you know, he shows up wearing that jacket, and all I got is this shirt. Now, you know, and I gotta fix this mic because I keep running into it. Hang on a second. So anyway, I got an idea. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I want to wear that jacket.
Yeah, good idea.
So,
I sweated a little bit on the first song.
well, I hope you did. So let me try that thing on and see if anything happens. Something could happen. There you go. All right, give me that.
Or needs to get a deposit before you put that thing on.
And decide what you want to sing.
Yeah, you know what? I think I'm gonna switch instruments for this because this suit is
Yeah,
you.
your driver's license or something.
Is it too big?
It's perfect.
No, it's just right. Yeah.
Great looking jacket.
Turn around.
Looks better on you.
Turn around, Dad.
Turn around up for
Turn
Kenny.
around.
Oh, you want to turn around?
Yeah.
So you should.
Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah.
Your third eye is kicking mine.
I gotta tell you now, I feel better. You know, I just feel better. That's all. Oh, we got a ukulele. Let's have some fun with it.
Here's the one. Let's bring it on down to my house, honey. In the key of F for fabulous. You want it up? I love when they say that.
There you go. Yep.
Yeah, F. Right here. One, two, three.
Oh, yeah. jacket, but I gotta tell you, it's hot.
It looks warm.
Put it back on, you look good in this thing. Excuse us folks while we change clothes.
You want to try the shirt on too?
No. That was fun. Come on down to my house. Too bad Chris doesn't sing. Hey, Bill, come on up. We got another singer. Look, we're gonna get Bill. You grab that mic right there.
Let's do, Mama Don't Let Your Babies Grow Up to Be Couples. Hey.
You ready?
Hey.
You give us a count to the drum, we'll count up, tell you, we'll kick it off for you.
Yeah, I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. That's someone the Will and Jennings Field.
We're doing it your way.
Hey. I like that. Nice and slow. Cowboys ain't easy to love, not harder to hold. Spin a little faster. Rather give you a song, the diamonds are gold. Lone Star belt buckles and old faded Levi's. Each night begins a new day. If you don't understand him, then he don't die young. He'll probably just ride away. So mamas, don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys. Don't let them pick guitars and drive in old trucks. Let them be doctors and lawyers and such. Mama, don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys. 'Cause they never stay home and they're always alone, even with someone they love. Get down. Cowboys like smoky old blue room, clear mountain morning. Little warm puppies and children, girls of the night. And them that don't know him won't like him, and them that do sometimes don't understand him.
Swan's not here, is he?
Yes, he is.
Where is he?
He's just parking the car.
Well, that could take a while. You know, we only have an hour show.
I don't know, you talk to him about that, not me.
Gary Swan's here. I just love that man. Well, he showed up to say hello and give us a little support. Bart, do another one, then I might do another one.
All right, you know something about my mama? She don't dance. And my daddy, he don't rock and roll. You know that song? You ever heard it? Go for it. What key? In the key of Gee Whiz. Well, your mama don't dance, and your daddy don't rock and roll. Well, your mama don't dance, and your daddy don't rock and roll. When the evening rolls around, it's time to go to town. Where do you go? Rock and roll. The old folks say that you gotta engineer out in. When you're out on the beach, bring it on, ladies, or sin. When if there's no excuse, you know you're gonna lose, never win. And it's all because your mama don't dance, daddy don't rock and roll. Yeah, mama don't dance, and daddy don't rock and roll. Well, you gotta go to town, where you go, rock and roll. Oh, come on, rock and roll. Just about to move and you're looking to breathe. While you're in the back, the windows nice and dark. You're just about to move and you're looking at the breeze. There's a light in your eye and every guy says, out of the car, long narrow way. You're coming with me, your local police. And it's all because your mama don't dance and your daddy don't rock and roll. Yeah, your mama don't dance and your daddy don't rock and roll. When it's time to go to town, hey, come on, take the charge. Your mama don't dance and your daddy, you don't rock and roll. I said your mama don't dance and your daddy don't rock and roll. When it's time to go down, when the evening rolls around, where you go? Rock and roll. Where do you go? Rock and roll. Where do you go? Rock and roll. Where do you go? Rock and roll. That's a true story, Carmine.
Who did that song?
We did.
I know. Come on now. Who was
Loggins and
that?
Messina.
Huh?
Loggins and
Loggins
Messina.
and Messina. Yep. They did a lot of recording in a place called Haji Sound in Hollywood. It was a crossroads in Hollywood on Sunset. You know what it says
Oh
crossroads?
yeah, I know that place.
Yeah, back in there was a studio back in the 60s
By
and
the,
70s.
by the windmill.
Yeah, and he was in. That's where they did a lot of his stuff, and it was good. I don't think I ever fixed my mic. All right, so I'm gonna do one more.
That's time.
Don't forget, Bob Schmidt Toyota. This mic is giving me trouble. There it is.
It's
Come
not
this way.
unusual. Tom
Come
Jones
this
here
way.
has done that.
Now, maybe I won't run into the mic stand with my guitar. Oh. Shuffle. This old smoke grill bar is something I'm not used to. I just left my home to keep you satisfied. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you can always find me here till closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here till closing time. I got everything I'll need to drive me crazy. And I got everything in here to lose my mind. The atmosphere in here is just right for Holly. And thanks to you, I'm always here to closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. And my new home has a flashing neon sign. You stop by and come and see me anytime you want to. And I'm always here to closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Yeah, bye. Stop by and see us anytime you want to. 'Cause we're always here at Carmine's Country Corner till closing time. Things okay?
Everything's good.
Everything's working?
Perfect.
Oh, thank God.
Okay, here's a pretty one, as pretty as it gets. Old fashioned love, you know that?
No problem.
F, key of F. You know this song? What? F. Something like that. I got that old fashioned love in my heart. Never can tear us apart. Like an ivy clinging vine, clinging closer all the time. Through these tears and these years, just to say, I got that old fashioned love in my heart. There it will always remain. Try and turn to see, but there'll be no change in me. Got that old fashioned love in my heart. Play it pretty, Carmine. I've got that old-fashioned faith in my heart, and nothing can tear us apart. Like an ivy clinging vine, clinging closer all the time. Through these years and these tears, just to say, got that old-fashioned faith in my heart. There will always remain. God may turn to see, but there'll be no change in me. Got that old-fashioned love in my heart. I think I'll play a little bit. Well, I got that old-fashioned love in my heart. There it will always remain. Like an ivy clinging vine, clinging closer all the time. Through these tears and these years, just to say, I got that old-fashioned faith in my heart. Nothing can tear us apart. Try and return to see, but there'll be no change in me. I got that old-fashioned love in my heart. I got that old-fashioned love in my heart.
Three. You must record that. Three.
Yeah, man. I got most of them. See, nobody out there notices, except for all you musicians, like Gary Swan and all those guys. They say Carmine's not doing the right chords, but nobody else knows that, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, what are we doing now? We got about 12 minutes. Do one, then I'll do one, then you do one, and we'll go home.
Okay, let's do, you took the Johnny Cash down too. I still miss
All the pitches except for lefty.
Well, I'm playing right-handed, so.
You know, some weeks you look and there's these pictures of like Merle, Buck Owens, and Waylon Jennings, and the lefty. Well, lefty's still up. Hank Williams, I got them all. But sometimes boys go on tour. They go on the road and they're not here. So lefty has stayed with us, but everybody else left. They'll be back in a couple of weeks.
He's in Bakersfield.
Yeah, they're all in Bakersfield with John Palmer.
Yeah.
What did I think
That's
of?
the kind of drop Palmer's got. You lefty at it.
Alright, this song is called I Still Miss Someone in the key of C.
And I love this song.
Good. I added a few chords.
want the
I'll
minor
surprise you
one?
with them. Yeah.
I'll leave them out
Mark,
anyway.
You want the minor?
I want the flat minor. No, I don't think
It's
so.
a sixth minor. Okay.
They don't want the flat minor.
That's that one. Never mind.
Which
We'll
one?
know.
I don't know. Like Carmine said. But I'm playing the other song. Wait a minute. What song did I say? Oh yeah, I remember now. C, the key of C, like in C is in Carmine. Well, don't stop on my count. Out my door, the leaves are falling. A cold wild wind will come. Sweethearts walk by together, and I still miss someone. I go out to a party to look for a little fun. But I find the dark corner, 'cause I still miss someone. Oh, I never got over those blue eyes. I see them everywhere. I miss those arms that held me. The love was there. Go ahead, Carmine.
remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. No, there's a lot of big preachers that know a lot more than I do. And it could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died.
Thank you.
I kicked it off a little fast, boys, but
Yeah, you're,
well, I want to thank you all for watching the show tonight. We had a little bit of fun, Bart. Thank you so much for bringing out that beautiful jacket, your great guitar playing, the mandolin, the ukulele, which is really a nice touch. Thanks for letting me wear the jacket one time. That was great.
It's worth a lot more now.
I know that. Well, I don't know about that part of it, but anyway, it's a great looking jacket. So go and do a closer, folks. We're gonna go on with this tune. See you next week. Don't be late. Tell a friend. And Bob's Toyota, thank you for giving us a place to have our fun. Bill, thanks for singing a song with us tonight. We appreciate it. He's got his lovely wife Sarah with him, with him. I think that's the way to say it. I screwed up again. Okay, here we go. Closing
Let's
song.
close with something real
Let's have fun.
slow and depressing, right?
You got it.
How about Matchbox in A? Good.